Today we're gonna install our new battery for 2020 Nissan Rogue. So the battery I bought is the Panasonic CR2032. So the first thing we're gonna do is take the emergency key apart, and then we'll see two little openings right here. Two little openings, hope you can see. We're gonna pop each part, pop it apart. Okay, yes, and pop it apart. And then to open it, we just put this right around and it's open. Okay, and there we go. It's very easy. We're gonna pop out our old battery and we're gonna pop in our new battery, the words facing down. Yes, easy. We got it. We star girls. Yes, we can do things by ourselves. And there we go. Yes, and I heard that car, so we good. So this was installing a new battery for the 2020 Nissan Rogue. And remember the battery I bought it on Amazon, and it was the Panasonic CR2032. I did it, you can do it too.